to our YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about how to start a dropshipping business step by step. Are you tired of working tirelessly 9 to 5 every single day? If yes, then you may consider starting your own dropshipping business. And this video is what you need. Some of you may already know what dropshipping is. Still, let me talk about how it works for the one who doesn't. So basically, you as a dropshipper, you don't buy the products in advance. Instead, when a customer places an order from your store, you forward it to the supplier, who can be a manufacturer or a middleman, and they will pack and ship the product directly to the customer's doorstep. Sounds simple, but actually lots of things to do. The first step is market research. This is the most important part of all. You will need to find the product categories that has good potential and profit margin. And this is the foundation of your business. So you must pay a lot of attention to it. Something that you are interested in can be a good starting point. Remember to use the tool lists or simply go to some e-commerce platform to find out the popularity and demand. Social media platforms, especially visualized ones like Instagram or Pinterest, are spotting good potential product. Potential competition, target customer, profitability are also the things that you need to consider before you design the product for your store. High demand, enough profitability, fair competition, and cater to your target market. And of course, it's not easy, but through the market research can save you a lot of time and headache afterward. At SINO, we provide professional sourcing service by our experienced sourcing agents. No matter what you're looking for, we can always help you to find it. And the best part is, if you have no idea what you want to sell, we can even give you some suggestions based on our expertise. Once you have chosen your product, the next step is find a reliable supplier. Platforms like Yiwu, Alibaba, or China Good can be a great place to start. This website caters specifically to people who buy in a large amount and provide a huge variety of products for you to choose. Check the supplier's review and delivery times, and consider order a sample product to check the quality. Remember, the reliability of your suppliers seriously impacts your business. Surprisingly, communication with the suppliers is also the point that should be considered. Are they responsive to your queries? Do they sound professional? These are also signs of their reliability. But sometimes it is a language barrier that causes delay and misunderstanding. And that is why I strongly recommend you to hire someone to assist you from the sourcing to shipping. It surely saves you time and money. Next, you need to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are user-friendly and offer plenty of customization options. Choose a template of the theme and customize it to fit your brand image. A good online store should at least have 4 pages: homepage, product page, about us page, and contact us page. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and mobile friendly, since a lot of shopping is done on mobile device these days. Now it's time to list your product, starting by thinking about how you want to organize them. Your product should be shown in a way that makes sense for your customer, maybe categorized by categories or price. Remember to use the high quality images or even video, and with a written detailed product description to display your product. Highlight the features and benefits of them and why there is a good value. This is your chance to convince your visitor to hit the buy now button. Once your product are listed, you will need to decide how you accept the payment and handle shipping. Most online stores accept credit card and PayPal, some even Apple Pay or Google Pay, so make sure yours have them as well. If possible, set up a secure payment gateway to protect your customer information. As a dropshipper, your suppliers or freight forwarding company will handle the actual shipping, but you still need to design quick dropshipping business. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Wishing you all the best on your dropshipping journey.